One of the best ways to communicate what's going on in our class is through photos. Now there's a few different ways that we can upload photos into Google Sites. One of the more simplistic ways, now we've already seen, is to upload a photo that's on our desktop one by one. We can simply do that by finding a location in Editor View, then going to Insert, Image. We can then choose a file to upload, and then navigate to that wherever it is on our computer. See, I want this photo right here, click Open, and then wait for it to load. Once that image is loaded, I'm going to click on it, click OK, and then it'll load right here. You can see that it already has a link that will just pop up a new tab with this image in full size. But for right now, that works pretty well. Now this is good if we want to load images one by one. But there is a better way in which we can load a slew of images and create a slideshow that is embedded right into our website. In order to do that, we need to use Google Photos through Google+. So, in order to access that, I'll go to somewhere like my Gmail, and up in my black bar, I'll go to More, and then Photos. And it's here that you can upload photos from your desktop. If I go right here to Upload Photos, I can find a slew of photos anywhere on my computer and upload them to Google+. By default, they are all set to private as well, so you could use this as your own storage area for photos. In addition, with most mobile devices, you can enable it so that photos are automatically backed up into Google+. So that means you don't even need to go through this step, but photos that you take are automatically uploaded. For instance, these photos I took with my iPad, and once I had a Wi-Fi connection, they automatically uploaded to this location. So, now that they're uploaded here, how do I put them into a slideshow? Well, for one, I need to organize them. So, I'm going to select all of them, and then go to Share. Right here, I see an Organize button. I'm going to click them and organize them into an album. I'm going to call this Website 1. You can see also that I can add captions to these photos too, so that as you see them on the website, they have captions on them. Then I'm going to click Done. Now, because all of these photos are set to private to begin with, I'm going to set them to public. Set all of these photos here. Anyone who has a link to them can see them. Then I'm going to click Share. These photos will automatically be uploaded to Google+. Google+ is a social networking platform, but if you're not presently using it, then you don't really need to worry about this feature because no one's really going to see those pictures anyways. So now I'm going to navigate back to my Google site. Now right here, I want to go and edit this page. You can click here and then hit this X to remove this picture. Now I want to see how I can insert to slideshow. Found a location, I'm going to go Insert, Picasa Web Slideshow. This will open up that folder that I just made. Picasa is an older Google photo version. It's recently been updated to Google+. That's why it's still called Picasa Album. I'm going to click on this album and then click Select. Once again, I have a slew of different options. I could choose the size of the slideshow. I want it to be about large, 400 pixels. You could have an autoplay. I want to show those captions that I typed in. I want to include a border, and that website are photos from the day because I'm putting this in an announcement page. Then I'm going to click Save. See, once again, I'll get these options right here with this white box. I want to center this and then click Save. Once these photos load, you could see right here that someone can see this slideshow. You can see because it's on autoplay, it's filtering right through them. Now at any point, you can go back and you can edit the features within this as well. If I go back into the editor view, I can click on this white box, hit the gear icon, and I can unclick autoplay. I want someone to be able to go through this on their own. And then click Save, and let's see how it shows up now. see that a visitor to the site will see the author's name, the title of this album, and then they can click play to play this slideshow. You can see my captions right here on the bottom. At any point, someone could also pause this to take a look at this.